Taking care of our skin is important, and we all want a bright, healthy complexion. While makeup can enhance our features, true beauty shines from within. Let's explore some natural ways to get radiant skin. We'll discover simple recipes using ingredients from your kitchen. It's time to embrace your natural glow. Many people desire a brighter complexion. There are many products on the market, but we can also turn to nature for help. Natural ingredients offer a gentle and effective way to achieve our skincare goals. Why choose homemade cosmetics? Firstly, they're made with natural ingredients, minimizing the risk of harsh chemicals. Secondly, they're budget-friendly. You likely have many of the ingredients in your kitchen already. Thirdly, you can customize your recipes to your skin type. Lastly, creating your own skincare is fun and rewarding. It's like having a spa day at home. Let's dive into some amazing recipes that harness the power of nature. This mask combines yogurt and lemon, both known for their skin brightening properties. It's a simple yet effective way to rejuvenate your skin using natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a natural exfoliant that gently removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin underneath. Additionally, yogurt is packed with probiotics that help maintain the skin's natural barrier, keeping it hydrated and healthy. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps fade blemishes and even out skin tone. The citric acid in lemons also helps to lighten dark spots and acne scars, giving your skin a more even and radiant appearance. To make this mask, simply mix 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt with half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Make sure to use fresh lemon juice for the best results, as it contains the highest concentration of vitamin C. Apply this mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Use gentle upward strokes to ensure even coverage and to stimulate blood flow, which can further enhance the brightening effects. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in the benefits of the mask. Section 4. Recipe 2. The Turmeric and Honey Mask. Glowing Complexion. Turmeric is a popular spice in Indian cuisine, but did you know it also has incredible benefits for your skin? This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty treatments. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make it an excellent ingredient for skincare, helping to combat various skin issues. It helps reduce redness, soothe inflammation, and brighten the skin. Regular use of turmeric can lead to a more even skin tone and a natural glow. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple. It also has antibacterial properties that can help prevent acne and promote healing. For this mask, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Make sure to use raw, organic honey for the best results. Apply the mixture evenly on your face and neck. Be careful to avoid the eye area, as turmeric can cause irritation if it gets into your eyes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and enjoy the refreshed, glowing complexion. Use this mask once or twice a week for the best results. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and radiance. Section 5. Enhance your natural radiance tips and precautions. In this section, we will guide you through essential tips and precautions to ensure your skincare routine is both effective and safe. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Make sure to follow your routine daily to maintain healthy and glowing skin. Use these masks 1 to 2 times a week to see visible results. Regular use will help in achieving a smoother and more radiant complexion. Always do a patch test before applying any new ingredient to your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. This simple step can prevent potential allergic reactions. Apply the masks to a small area on your inner arm and wait 24 hours. This will help you determine if the product is safe for your skin. If you experience any irritation, discontinue use immediately. It's important to listen to your skin and avoid products that cause discomfort. Remember to wear sunscreen daily, as these masks may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents further damage. Section 6. Embrace your natural beauty. These DIY recipes offer a natural and effective way to brighten your face and achieve a radiant glow. Remember, true beauty lies in embracing your individuality. These recipes are here to enhance, not change, your natural beauty. Take care of your skin, be patient, and most importantly, love the skin you're in.